Here's a 2015 GMC Sierra 2500 HD with available Wi-Fi. This Sierra was built for those that need a truck, a get-dusty haul-anything heavy-duty pickup. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated and ventilated leather bench seats, mirror-mounted spotlights, shocks, configurable instrument gauges, and power heated mirrors. TruckTrend calls it a truck with class-leading power efficiency and smarts. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.